Assalamualaikum. My name is Isai bin Samsul. Today we are group 6 and we would like to present our project called the Smart Meal Suggestion app. So the Smart Meal, this is our group member. The Smart Meal app is an AI-driven mobile application designed to help university students manage their daily meals more efficiently. It acts as an intelligent nutrition companion that focuses on reducing food waste, improving healthy eating habits, and supporting students with limited budgets. The app works by managing a virtual pantry where it considers ingredient expiry dates by their limits and personal dietary goals to recommend the best meal for user through voice and chat interaction. Now let's talk about the problem. University students often have packed schedules and limited time for meal planning. Many end up forgetting ingredients, wasting groceries, ordering unhealthy food, or spending more money than planned. In fact, 40% of students waste food every month, 55% feel they do not eat healthily, and meal planning can take more than 30 minutes daily. To solve this, we apply a design thinking approach. We emphasize with students struggle, define key problems such as food waste and time constraint, and adapted the solution using AI technology. Our solution is the AI-powered smart meal app, it includes ingredient recognition to track inventory, smart meal recommendation based on preferences, nutrition, and budget analysis, personalized meal scheduling, and natural voice or chat interactions. I think it's all from
Okay, so for AI components overview, we actually apply three features in our AI implementation framework. So first things first is about knowledge representation. We apply five things within the knowledge representation, which is production rule, which is about if then rules to prioritize performance production. Secondly, it's about frames. We arrange the representation of ingredients, expiries, and preferences into several structures. Thirdly, about relational knowledge. We link between the recipes and required ingredients. And fourth is the semantic networks. We make visualization about the relationship among ingredients, meals, and constraints. Lastly, it's about first order predicate logic, which is involving complex logical reasoning for decision validation. And then for the second point, is about state space search. So here we are trying to navigate from initial state to goal state. We apply filtering and selection actions. This is one of the ways that we can use to minimize path costs in terms of waste budget and preparation time. So thirdly is about intelligent agent. We use the BEAS model. It's designed as utility-based agent. It is continuously perceives, reasons, and acts within a dynamic environment. And it also optimizes user satisfaction through intelligent decision making. Next is about state space search demo. As we can see here, this is our proposed state space search for our smart meal application. So the search process is first is about all recipes available. This is the first thing that users will take note. And then secondly, the user will have to filter, which is applying constraints such as the user is a vegan, user's budget, or user's time constraints. And third, the users will have to adjust, which is optimizing users' preferences based on available ingredients. So fourth is about selection, which is about users choosing their optimal recipes based on budget, time constraints, or based on their temperament. So the goal here is to minimize path cost in terms of waste, cost, and time. So by using the state space search, we are able to find the most optimal solution for the user to find its preferences.
This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I will be presenting about piece of our smart grid app. So for the P, which is first one, stand for performance, which is our goal. The success of our goal agent is measured by the ability of the maximize utility for the user. This means that it focuses on our four key matrices, which are the accuracy of the recipe matching, and then the measurable reduction in the food waste, the maintaining user satisfaction, and then the streak of adherence to the user budget and the nutritious goal. Then secondly is the environment, which is representing our world. Our agent operates in the dynamic, partially observable environment, so it manages a digital twin of the user kitchen through the virtual pantry inventory. So the thirdly is sensor, which is the eye and the ears of our system. The agent perceives the state of this environment through the three primary digital inputs, and then a camera serves as the eye of the barcode and the image recognition of the ingredients, while the touchscreen is the interface and the system clock API provide the necessary manual data and the temporal context, such as the tracking schedule and the ingredient of the expiry date. Then lastly, A, which is the actuator. In our case, there is the hand. Once the agent has proceeded this input, it takes the action to change the user world through the specific actuators. And then this include the mobile UI display to present the recipe, and a push notification system for a protective for the proactive expiry alerts. So our proof of concept demo will be presented by Haziq and Hafizik.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Haziq bin Shahman and today I will demonstrate our prototype called AI Smart Meal. So AI Smart Meal is an intelligent nutrition application that helps users plan meals, track nutrition, manage ingredients, and get smart food suggestions. So for this part, I will focus on voice assistant and meal planning features. First, this is the voice assistant feature. Users can interact with the system using voice or text. For example, the user can say, I want to plan my meals for this week. The assistant will respond and ask questions such as dietary goals, budget, and food preferences. This makes meal planning faster, easier, and more user-friendly, especially for busy users. Next is the meal planner features. Here, user can see their weekly meal schedule from Monday to Sunday. Each day includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner with calorie information. Users can add meals, view total calories, protein intake, and also monitor their weekly budget. The system also gives AI suggestions such as balance tips and budget alerts. So that's all for my part. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Ishamil. Today I will be presenting my part about our AI Smart Meal. So we have nutrition tracker here. Basically what we do here, we can track our nutrition for breakfast, lunch, dinner. So you can see here for breakfast we have oatmeal with berries, and they will sort the protein, carbs and fat, also the total calorie. And it also has the weekly goals for the calories target or something like that for the user, and we have all of this. Then we have also the my ingredients. For my ingredients, we can use the camera to the AI can recognize the ingredients, and it will also upload our image and take photo. So this will scan the items and tell us what ingredients can be made. And for the last one, we have the smart suggestion. Basically, what smart suggestion do is it will provide the meal suggestion for us. Basically, here we have something for chicken, pasta, and we can add this to our meal planner. So this will help a lot for the user to track their meals and also have a variety of meals for them. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you.
This meeting is being
So I
recorded.
will move on to the project impact and the future work. Then for the current project impact, on our observation, which is we have gained the 40% of reduction of the food waste, and then 50% faster meal planning, then 25% saving for the student. And then for the future enhancement, we will integrate with the grocery delivery. Secondly, we will use social meal planning, which is can be sharing with the others. And then thirdly, we will advance the diet tracking. And then lastly, we will implement and enhance the IoT integration. So that's all for our group, which is group 6. Thank you.